TikTok is taking over the world. There are so many TikTok influencers now seeing such a rise of success, pitching to brands, making money, making their dreams come true, all the good things, and I am here for it. Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Nina from Sidewalker Daily. We work with brands on their influencer marketing campaigns, and we also help creators like you pitch to brands. So we're in this really, really good space, and we like to stay on both sides of the coin. Now, what I'm excited about today's video is for a bunch of reasons. One, I'm just excited about TikTok in general. After months of begrudgingly not posting, now we are finally posting on TikTok. So shout out to us for doing the work, and make sure you guys follow along at Sidewalker Daily on TikTok. But secondly, because you guys know I'm obsessed with media kits, you know how I feel about them. I literally rave about them so much because for me, they are a revenue generating tool, which is to say just like a pitching material, a really good material to get you paid. And secondly, I just feel like their purpose is to wow brands and make you feel professional and give you the confidence to pitch. And there's so much that goes into a really good looking media kit. I could go on, but I won't because this channel already has tons of videos on media kits. But today's video is going to be different because I'm talking to the TikTokers out there. There has been a surge of different TikTok influencers. Just the industry is booming right now, and we're seeing a lot of people find overnight success on TikTok, then come to us at Sidewalker Daily and want to pitch. The first thing I tell my TikTokers is you need a media kit, right? The same way I'll tell my YouTubers and Instagrammers. So today's video, I want to share what we should putting inside a TikTok media kit, which varies and is different than other media kits, right? Because all platforms are not created equally. And I'll share with you guys a little bit more of what you can do to really stand out when you're pitching and all the good things inside your media kit. Now, before I get started, if you are new, make sure you hit subscribe so you can be kept up to date on all things influencer marketing, creator economy, social media, and all that good stuff. So firstly, for the new people on the channel, I do want to just give you a quick little rundown why I'm obsessed with media kits and why you should be too, to get you in the framework to do the work. Because believe it or not, those one-page media kits, two-page media kits, they're out. They are not in. Media kits are now an industry norm. You are not seeing what I am seeing. The level and quality of the media kits out there is beyond. They're beyond beautiful. The level has just gone up, right? So I see what creators are pitching because for one, we design media kits. So we are seeing the quality that is going out there. But like I said, being on that brand side, we also receive them. And I can just tell you from where we started in 2016 to where we are now, the media kit game has completely changed. Now, the one word I need everyone here that's listening to write down and remember is the word visual. Media kits are visual resumes. They are not meant to be full of text. As a creator, you need to show examples of what you create, and what you create are visual things, right? Whether they be videos or stories. Mostly my TikTokers, you guys are making short form video content. So we need to make sure our media kits are super visual to help us tell the story of what it is that you even do. So in your media kit, you're gonna need an about. You need an about you, and oftentimes creators miss the mark on this. They make the about you like very personal, like I was born on a farm and I decided to quit my job. No. Brands don't care about that. We really want to know about your audience and about the content that you make and really about your content pillars. That's how you should be focusing when you are drafting your about. Lean into your audience or lean into the type of content that you make. This is what gets brands excited about, going to page 2. And may I just add, your media kit, the order is also very important, right? Because the idea is to get them to get to the end of the media kit. They could just get to page 2 or 3 and be like, yeah, I don't want to see this anymore. So I really want you guys to think strategically about how you put this media kit together. Outside of your about, you need to have examples of your TikTok work, like actual TikToks. You can have them embedded within your media kit so the brand can click and watch the type of content directly. So definitely include those TikTok examples in your deck, include your metrics, go into your creator tools, find some really good metrics and think creatively. Don't just do 7 days, do 30 days or 28 days. I believe that's what TikTok lets you do. Look at your video plays, your shares, your growth rate, all that good stuff. And because you may be on TikTok, but you may also have other platforms, definitely include the metrics that stand out within all of your platforms together. Now, If you are looking to pitch to brands and the media kit is something that is important to you, I have a free training on media kits, guys, and I'm going to share with you and break it down exactly what you need to do, and also share with you some insider tips. So I'll leave a link below so you can sign up to one of my free live trainings on media kits so you can get into all of that. And I want you to think about something too. Let's just say you're pitching a live to a brand. You have to be able to tell them, what are the average views of your lives? Like, how many people attend, right? So really make sure your metrics stand out, and your audience. Who is your audience? Where are they from? Are they male? Are they female? What are their ages? What do they like to do? The more you know your audience, the better positioned you are to be pitching. So please, please, please dive deep into your audience so that you could be able to describe them to a future brand partner. Now, we briefly spoke about including content inside of your media kit. I want to explain something. I want you guys to include not only the best performing content that's relevant to the brand. Don't post a viral piece of content that is like a cat doing something if that has nothing to do with your niches, okay? If it has nothing to do with the type of content you would produce for that brand, make sure you are also selective in the content that you are showcasing. Another big thing is, outside of including that content, if you have other forms of video example, let's just say you are a TikToker, but you have other capabilities. Like, your media kit is not just for your TikTok content. Maybe you're leading with TikTok because that's where you play and have the biggest following or the biggest engagement, but maybe you have other platforms as well. So if you're a good photographer, you may want to include a portfolio slide, or if you're a videographer and have other video content, maybe you want to link it to your video portfolio so that they can, see more of the videos that you make. Now, if portfolios are something that you as a TikToker don't have set up, it's so important, especially if you're pitching content. If you are going to the brands and saying, hey, I can make UGC content for you, I'm a content creator, and you're not pitching influence as much, you need to have a portfolio. And inside of our Pitching to Brands Master course, we have a super in-depth section all about portfolios and video portfolios, how you should be setting that up so that you can pitch to brands your video content. Now, again, if that's of interest to you, I will leave a link to our Pitching to Brands Master course below so that you have access to that. Now, one thing you should also consider including in your media kit, and it's funny because I just had a call today with a TikToker who we did her media kit review with her, and just like that last page, like a let's work together page, show examples of past brand clients if you have them. If you know the services that you're going to provide, list out your services, your contact information. This should all be very easy because, again, that media kit could be forwarded to someone else within the company or to a different PR agency. So you want to make sure that information is there so the brands know how they can work with you and how they can contact you. Again, people on the brand side, we're always moving around, and having your media kit is something that, PR people will take with them as they go. Now, a lot of creators may have a media kit, but they're not ready to pitch yet. They're like, Nina, I don't want to pitch. I'm still not there. I want brands to reach out to me. So we did go ahead and put together a training for you guys. It's a mini course on how to get brands to notice you. This is more for creators who aren't really ready to pitch. They rather have brands reach out to them. This is for you. There's 9 strategies that you can implement right away so that you could really be top of mind, so brands can find you and even know that you exist in this crazy TikTok world that we're all in. When it comes to number of pages for your TikTok media kit, don't let anyone tell you what you can or cannot do. I am team not 2 pages because I just don't actually know how anyone fits anything in 2 pages. Like, I need way more because I'm very visual, and our team likes to take, we like to make media kits really, really easy to digest, visual, easy to read, all that good stuff. So we've worked with tons of different TikTokers designing their media kits. I have like a Michelin star chef, Kelly from Dining by Kelly. Her media kit is going to be inside of our pitching course. We have tons of different TikTokers that we've worked with. And TikTok media kits right now, they're looking like other people's media kits, but they have that video component and they're able to show off their work. The metrics are different because they're showing off different numbers. And even just showing just their content in general, it gets brands really excited because brands are now finally starting to work with influencers on TikTok and paying them. So this is all good news all around. Now, if you guys are looking for media kit services, like I said, I'll leave a link below to our design studio. We design media kits as well. And if not, if you rather learn on your own, you can learn within our pitching course because we teach you how to do it from scratch. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video and understand what to put inside your TikTok media kit. Take a look on this channel. I have tons of media kit videos. I can't stress enough how important this document is when it comes to pitching brands. And I know you guys are going to do a great job, and I can't wait to see what you guys do in the future. Anyways, guys, thanks so much, and see you in the next video.